CDC issuing a travel warning for a part of Miami over Zika. The advisory stating pregnant women should avoid traveling to one neighborhood in specific just north of downtown that's experiencing an outbreak of the virus. CDC Director Tom Frieden urging calm and gave advice to pregnant women who may be concerned.
If you're pregnant, we advise you not to travel to that area until transmission has ended. If you're pregnant and you're in that area, then do everything possible to prevent mosquito bites.
Phil Keating, live in Miami with more. So, Phil, this is not for the entire city of Miami. It's very specific.
Correct, Elizabeth, and it does not include very tourist-rich Miami Beach. It is a neighborhood 1 square mile in size, but it is still neighborhoods that are very popular not only with local residents but also tourists. The area in question is just north of the downtown core of Miami. It includes a lot of restaurants, a lot of art galleries, as well as plenty of shopping. It's the hip and trendy Wynwood neighborhood, Midtown, and Edgewater. These 10 new cases of Zika on top of the 4 cases announced on Friday all involve people who at some point in the past month were in those areas. Since Friday, Florida's Department of Health has amped up its mosquito spraying efforts, putting more people with pesticide backpacks on the streets and around houses, which is exactly where the specific type of mosquitoes live. The Aedes aegypti species hangs around standing water and patios and typically don't fly more than 200 yards their entire life.
We've done really well with dengue fever and chikungunya. We've been able to basically control the local transmission of those, and so we believe all of us have to work together, but we can do the same thing with this.
Still, aside from Governor Scott's confidence, the CDC and also now the United Kingdom as well as Ireland specifically urging pregnant women avoid going to this area.
And you know, Phil, I've heard a lot of women be really concerned because a lot of these cases don't necessarily show symptoms. Do any of these cases show any symptoms?
Well, that's the thing that disease experts have been really worried about all year long, and that is 80% of everybody who gets the Zika virus has no idea they have it. They don't show any symptoms. And in these 10 new cases, 6 of them had no idea they actually had it. The symptoms are typically mild for non-pregnant people. Flu-like symptoms, headache, muscle aches, rashes, pink eye. The huge concern, though, of course, is for pregnant women because Zika virus can lead to severe birth defects. And that is exactly why disease experts have really been worried about this particular disease, because the big fear all along has been somebody actually contracts the virus, has no idea they have it, and then they're back here in the United States, they get bitten by a local domestic mosquito, and then it bites somebody else and spreads the virus beyond and beyond.
Yeah, that's some scary stuff. Phil Keating reporting live. Thank you so much, Phil.